The Amazon rainforest is a vast green world. From above, it looks like a giant, endless carpet of trees. This is the canopy. Sunlight touches these high leaves first, but beneath this thick blanket of green, there is another world. It is a place of shadows and secrets. Down on the forest floor and on the trunks of ancient trees, life is very different. This hidden realm is not silent. It is filled with the buzzes, clicks, and croaks of countless small creatures. This is their home, a place of incredible richness and detail, often missed by the human eye. It is here, under the canopy, that the true magic of the Amazon unfolds in a million tiny, fascinating ways. This world is dark and damp. The tall trees block most of the sunlight. Only small beams of light manage to find their way down to the ground. The air is thick with moisture. Everything is wet. The leaves on the forest floor, the bark of the trees, and the soil itself are all damp. This constant humidity creates the perfect conditions for a special kind of life to thrive. For many animals, this dampness is not just comfortable, it is essential for their survival. It keeps their skin moist, helps them breathe, and provides a perfect nursery for their young. The world beneath the canopy is a world shaped by water and shadow. This environment may seem challenging, but for its inhabitants, it is a paradise. The forest floor is covered in a thick layer of fallen leaves. This leaf litter is not just rubbish. It is a bustling city for tiny creatures. It provides shelter from predators, a place to find food, and a safe spot to lay eggs. Worms, beetles, and ants dig tunnels through this decaying matter, recycling nutrients back into the soil. This constant activity is the engine of the rainforest, turning death back into life. The sounds you hear are the sounds of this engine at work. A symphony of millions of tiny lives all playing their part in a grand, interconnected system. Imagine walking through this world. You would need to look closely. A stick on the ground might not be a stick at all. It could be a stick insect, perfectly camouflaged to avoid being eaten. A colorful flower might actually be an orchid mantis, waiting patiently for its next meal to fly by. The forest floor is a stage for a grand play of survival. Every leaf, every branch, and every patch of moss holds a story. It is a world of disguise, of hunter and hunted. To understand the Amazon, we must look down, beneath the great green canopy, and discover the secrets that lie in the shadows below. The world under the canopy is home to an incredible variety of insects. There are more types of insects here than anywhere else on Earth. Some are giants in their own right. The Titan beetle, for example, can grow as long as a human hand. Its powerful jaws can snap a pencil in two. There are also butterflies with wings that shimmer like blue jewels. The blue morpho butterfly is famous for its brilliant, iridescent color. This color is not made from pigment. It comes from the way light bounces off microscopic scales on its wings. These insects are not just beautiful, they are vital parts of the forest. Among the most fascinating insects are the ants. The Amazon is home to thousands of different ant species. One of the most famous is the leafcutter ant. You can see long lines of these ants marching across the forest floor. Each one carries a piece of a leaf held above its head like a tiny green flag. They are not eating the leaves. They take them back to their huge underground nests. There, they use the leaves to grow a special kind of fungus, which is their real food. They are farmers tending to their fungal gardens deep beneath the ground, a remarkable example of nature's ingenuity. Amphibians also thrive in this wet, shady world. The Amazon is a paradise for frogs. There are frogs of every color imaginable. Some are bright red, yellow, or blue. These bright colors are a warning. They tell predators, "I am poisonous. Do not eat me." The poison dart frog is a perfect example. Its skin contains a powerful poison. Indigenous people have historically used this poison on the tips of their hunting darts. But not all frogs are so bold. Many are masters of disguise. The glass frog has transparent skin on its belly. You can look right through it and see its heart beating and its organs working. Reptiles are the silent hunters of the forest floor. Snakes like the emerald tree boa wrap themselves around branches, looking just like a green vine. They wait patiently for a bird or a small mammal to come close. Lizards scurry over the leaf litter, searching for insects. The green iguana, though it can grow quite large, starts its life as a small, vulnerable creature hiding in the undergrowth. One of the most impressive reptiles is the anaconda. While it loves the water, it also moves through the dense, low-lying parts of the forest, a silent and powerful predator at the very top of the food chain in this hidden world. Life beneath the canopy is a constant challenge. To survive, animals have developed amazing skills and tricks. The most important skill is camouflage. Blending in is the best way to avoid being seen by predators, and it is also the best way to ambush prey. The leaf-tailed gecko is a master of this. Its body is flat and its skin is colored and textured just like tree bark covered in moss. When it presses itself against a tree, it simply disappears. Many caterpillars look exactly like bird droppings, a disguise that makes them very unappetizing to hungry birds looking for a snack. Another clever trick is mimicry. This is when a harmless animal evolves to look like a dangerous one. There are many types of non-venomous snakes in the Amazon that have the same bright red, black and yellow rings as the deadly coral snake. Predators see these warning colors and stay away, leaving the harmless mimic alone. Some moths have large spots on their wings that look just like the eyes of an owl. When a bird comes near, the moth flashes its wings. The bird is startled by the sudden appearance of these big eyes and flies away, giving the moth a chance to escape. The damp environment provides unique opportunities for raising a family. Poison dart frogs have a very special way of caring for their young. The mother frog lays her eggs on a leaf. When the tadpoles hatch, she carries them on her back, one by one, up into the trees. She finds tiny pools of water collected in the leaves of plants called bromeliads. She places each tadpole in its own private nursery pool. She returns regularly to lay an unfertilized egg in each pool. This is the only food the tadpole will eat until it grows into a frog. It is an incredible display of parental care. Survival also depends on finding food in clever ways. The archerfish, found in the streams and pools of the forest, has a remarkable hunting technique. It hunts for insects that are sitting on leaves above the water. It takes aim and spits a powerful jet of water from its mouth. The water jet knocks the insect off the leaf and into the stream, where the archerfish can quickly gobble it up. These amazing behaviors show how every creature has found its own special way to live, hunt, and raise its young in this complex and competitive world beneath the canopy. It can be easy to overlook these small creatures. A tiny frog or a beetle might not seem as important as a jaguar or a monkey, but in the Amazon, every single animal, no matter how small, has a vital job to do. They are the gears and wheels of the great rainforest machine. Insects like bees, butterflies, and even some beetles are crucial pollinators. As they travel from flower to flower, searching for nectar, they carry pollen with them. This helps the trees and plants to produce fruits and seeds, ensuring the next generation of the forest can grow. These creatures are also the ultimate recyclers. The forest floor is constantly being covered by falling leaves, branches, and dead animals. Without the armies of termites, beetles, worms, and fungi, this debris would pile up endlessly. Instead, these decomposers break it all down. They chew through wood and leaves, returning essential nutrients to the soil. This enriched soil is what allows the giant trees of the Amazon to grow so tall and strong. Without these humble workers, the entire rainforest ecosystem would slowly grind to a halt and eventually collapse. The small animals are also a critical link in the food web. They are a source of food for countless other species. Frogs, lizards, and spiders eat insects. Snakes eat frogs and lizards. Birds of prey and larger mammals eat the snakes. This flow of energy from the smallest creature to the largest is what sustains the incredible diversity of life in the Amazon. If the populations of insects or amphibians were to disappear, the animals that depend on them for food would also suffer. Every life is connected to another, creating a delicate and intricate balance. This hidden world is fragile. The Amazon rainforest is facing many threats, from deforestation to climate change. When we cut down trees, we are not just destroying the canopy. We are destroying the countless homes of these amazing insects, amphibians, and reptiles. We are breaking the delicate connections that have taken millions of years to form. Protecting the Amazon means protecting everything within it, from the tallest tree to the tiniest ant. We must work to save this incredible secret world for its own sake and for the health of our entire planet. Its survival is our survival.